Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to download Instagram profile picture on iPhone. Let's go. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Then go over to the profile that you want to view the profile picture of. So for example, I'm going to this account. Once you are on their Instagram profile, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then from this menu, select Copy Profile URL. Once you copy the URL of their profile, exit the Instagram app. Now open up any web browser you like. After that, search for a website called InstaDP. Simply enter InstaDP and search for it on Google. After that, tap on this exact search result. Once you are on this exact website, scroll down a little bit and tap on the Instagram profile picture downloader. It will load up this page. So now what you want to do next is scroll down and paste in the URL of the Instagram profile that we copied earlier. Once you paste in the URL of their Instagram profile, simply tap on the Get button over here. At the moment, this website is not working as it seems like it is busy. So what will you do next is to scroll down and you will see the profile picture. Imply tap on the green download button and it will be downloaded in your files or to your photos, depending on the location you choose. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.